If you're a local business owner looking to create effective ads that convert, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to use AdCreative AI for local business ads quickly and efficiently. Whether you're a new business or looking to improve your existing campaigns, AdCreative AI can make your ads stand out with minimal effort. Let's get straight to it. AdCreative AI is an innovative tool that uses artificial intelligence to design high-performing ads that speak to your target audience. For local businesses, this means getting your message out there with visuals that grab attention and drive engagement, all without needing to be a design expert. When you first start with AdCreative AI, you'll notice how easy it is to use. All you need to do is enter some basic information about your business, your industry, target market, and any specific ad goals you have. From there, the software takes over. AdCreative AI generates several creative variations that are optimized to deliver the best results for your specific campaign. This means your ads aren't just pretty, they're designed to convert. Now, you might be wondering how exactly this works for local businesses. The key is that AdCreative AI doesn't just create generic ads. It customizes your creative to match the preferences and behaviors of your local audience. Whether you're a local restaurant, a boutique shop, or a service provider, AdCreative AI understands the nuances of local targeting. It helps you create ads that resonate with people in your area, making your campaigns more relevant and effective. One of the most valuable features of AdCreative AI for local businesses is its ability to test different creatives and headlines. Instead of guessing which one will work, you can let the AI do the heavy lifting. It runs multiple variations and shows you which ones are performing best. This means you're always optimizing, ensuring that your ads are getting the best return on investment. Another great feature is the built-in analytics. You can track the performance of your ads in real time, allowing you to make adjustments when needed. No more guessing games or wasted ad spend. With AdCreative AI, you get insights that help you fine-tune your campaigns for maximum impact. You don't have to be a marketing expert to use AdCreative AI. In fact, you can start creating ads in just a few clicks. Plus, if you're new to digital advertising or don't have a lot of time, this tool simplifies the process for you. The AI does the hard work of designing ads so you can focus on running your business. If you want to see just how effective this software can be, you can try AdCreative AI completely for free through the first link below. You'll get exclusive bonuses, including extended trial access, so you can dive into the platform and start testing ads right away. And by the way, stay tuned till the end because I'm going to share exactly how you can extend your free trial, so you can keep using AdCreative AI for your local business ads as long as you need. AdCreative AI isn't just a tool, it's a game changer for local business owners who want to boost their ad performance without spending hours on design. So, if you want to get ahead of your competition, take advantage of the AI-driven features and start creating ads that actually work. Remember, you can get started for free with the link below, and don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive bonuses I mentioned. Make sure you subscribe for more tips on how to leverage AI tools to grow your business.